Less than 30 minutes until the start of trade. Today's top story, the Federal Reserve announces its latest policy decision Tuesday. 2 p.m. Eastern Time today. Here with what investors should be looking out for is our very own Jennifer Schonberger. Jennifer, yeah, that Tuesday and today really sneaks up on a lot of people out there. But it is Wednesday.
And as you said, Brad, it is hump day. It's Wednesday, right?
Yes, exactly. We've made it halfway here.
We made it halfway. Congratulations. Well, as you said, the Federal Reserve convening just moments ago here in Washington for the second day of their two-day policy meeting, where they're widely expected to hold rates steady in the range of 5.25% to 5.5%. Here are three things you need to watch for the meeting this afternoon. Number one, the main focus will be whether the Fed still sees 3 rate cuts this year or whether officials have scaled back cuts on hotter inflation data in the first 2 months of this year. It only takes 2 officials to put down 2 rate cuts this year for the median to shift to 2 cuts from 3. While the first 2 months of this year did see hotter inflation data, officials don't think that the latest inflation readings change the overall picture that much. It might argue for leaving estimates where they are. Officials did warn it would be, quote, bumpy, and guided on taking a cautious approach given the risk of hotter data, which has shown true. So these bumps in the road may already be built into their previous forecast. Number 2, investors will also look for clues from Fed Chair Powell's press conference on whether the first rate cut is still possible in June, as markets are pricing in, or whether that timing could be pushed back. And number 3, officials are discussing how to eventually stop the ongoing runoff of the Fed's balance sheet or quantitative tightening. Will Chair Powell offer any insight into what officials discussed? That decision coming down at 2 p.m. Eastern here in Washington. Guys?
All right, Jen, thanks so much. And of course, we will be following you for the latest on that. I know you're going to be joining the show right at 2 p.m. Eastern Time with that decision.